blame, not me or you. Still I'm caught in that rain. I'll be over you, okay. I'll be doing more than great, but I just miss ya, I miss ya. I'll sing happy songs one day. I'll be doing more than great, but now I miss ya, I miss ya. It's funny how the simplest things can leave the biggest hole. Just waking up to feel your skin is killing me the most, the most. We were running out of time, had a moment then it died. So why should I complain? We ran as fast as we could do. No one's to blame, not me or you. Still I'm caught in that rain. I'll be over you, okay. I'll be doing more than great, but I just miss ya, I miss ya. I'll sing happy songs one day. I'll be doing more than great, but now I miss ya, I miss ya. We got lost in each other, so we just kept on falling. But we touched the sky, yeah, we touched the sky. Then we dove in the deep end, trying to find one more reason to hold back the night. We held back the night. I'll be over you, okay. I'll be doing more than great, but I just miss ya, I miss ya. I'll sing happy songs one day. I'll be doing more than great, but now I miss ya, I miss ya.
As we're sitting here in silence, all I'm hearing is the rain. Don't mean to be so quiet, but there's nothing left to say. It's been going for a long time, but it's hard to cut the ties.